Hello. Tell your auntie to get some video of you when you get dropped off at Bow Wags.
Because he would get a good picture.
Huh?
I kept moving with the biscuit. You see his face kept moving with me.
Oh, he was?
I'm helping him out.
Bello, I'm gonna miss you. Going on my cruise. So I pre-packed, I put Booty's tags on, and I pre-packed his food in this container to go to the overnight kennel. And Booty's now in the kitchen. I gave him a bath today, and they're gonna groom him the last day, which would be on Friday before pickup. He'll be mingling with some other dogs. Right, Booty? All right, stay tuned. On our family birthday celebration. It's raining here in Georgia. We're heading to the airport. The time sprung forward, so I'm not sure if it's 3:40. Does anybody know the time? Are you excited, Grandma?
Yes, I am. I'm excited.
For your birthday celebration?
My birthday celebration, yes, I am very excited about this trip.
Yeah.
To be with my family and the friends that we're going to meet. Oh, yeah.
Wonderful.
We're going to have a good time.
Yay. Well, we'll see you guys at the airport.
Okay.
We're getting ready to head out. Let's do this.
Princess, here we come.
Bye, Bello. Be good.
Princess Cruise.
Your Ponty gonna take care of you, okay?
Crown Princess. Oh, I need to be recording this.
Cousin Greg and Audrey.
Yeah, we headed out to sea. We're headed out to sea.
You excited for your first cruise?
Yeah.
No, right ahead. Yeah, the other one.
Bigger than that. That's bigger than that. That's
Remember,
a city,
this is
man.
us right there.
That's a city, man. There's our crown.
Yeah. All right, guys. About to board the ship. I'm so excited because I haven't been on a cruise since 2016 when I was on the Harmony of the Seas on Royal Caribbean's newest ship. So this is my first sailing on Princess, the Crown Princess to be exact. And what's great about this cruise is that I have so many of my family members here. We're celebrating 2 70th birthdays. So it's like a birthday celebration cruise. So just so excited. It's my first of a lot of things and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So keep you posted. Morning. We have a calypso party going on in the piazza. Heading to the buffet. We are excited to be here on the Crown Princess. Gonna meet up with everyone else. Hey, Dee.
Hey. Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard. It's some over here by the buffet area. On Henrietta. Here we have Royal Caribbean's Freedom of the Seas.
departure of the berth, which should be around the next 15 or 20 minutes. Looking ahead, there are a trip down to our port. This is the
Okay. I've got. There's our cat and Cindy.
2 days or 18 months. 4 miles per hour looking at arriving outside berth down.
Wave party. Bye, Port Everglades.
Thank you, Mr. John. And this is for the table. It's yours, sir. It's yours, sir.
Hey guys, we're back from dinner at Da Vinci's, and dinner was great. There wasn't any complaints. I had a Caesar salad, a soup, and a seafood dish. So everything was pretty delish and great service. We celebrated one of the guests out of the 3 guests' birthdays tonight, John, and we're just back in the cabin, and I just want to show you some of the things that we have going on. And the first thing is our cruise planners scavenger hunt. So we have some questions and activities that we're asking our group to answer, and the top 2 cabins can win a prize that comes closest to the score of 100 points. And two of my favorite questions was take a selfie at the port with the cruise ship behind you, because I think that'll be a memorable photo. And also, let's see, maybe the first person to arrive to dinner on Monday night, which would be for us our formal night at sea on this sailing here. So that was interesting. And we have a complimentary, this is a grapevine wine tasting, so I'm excited to do this on Thursday. We're going to participate in that as well. So we have got some special invitations as well. We actually missed this today, so we can put this away because we had a 5:15 early dining option, and then special invites as well. We passed this because we're on deck 5. We passed this as it was going on, coming from dinner, a live champagne art auction, which looked pretty fun and interesting. So maybe they'll have that another night that we can participate in. And also a great thing being a part of this group here, we gave our guests compliments of Cruise Planners Agency. We got, let's see, Princess Travel mugs, 2 per cabin. So I'm gonna get our travel mugs. I'm gonna go to the International Cafe to redeem. So I'll show you guys how the mugs look. And then also a 6x8 photo credit that will go towards a photo that the guest chooses. So that'll be pretty cool. Yeah, so just trying to let you guys know that we are having a good old time. Yeah, so far everything has been, you know, pretty much what we've been expecting as far as the service. The food's been great. haven't done too much yet. We've just been between muster drill, eating lunch when we got on board. It's just been kind of, everything's been going so fast. You know, dinner was just at 5:15. Meanwhile, I haven't had much sleep. Honestly, didn't have any sleep the night before. I worked up until the last, actually 2 to 3 hours, and then I packed and finally threw some things in the suitcase. And now we're here. Our flight was 6 o'clock. We flew JetBlue out of Atlanta, and so we were at the airport by 4:30 a.m. So I'm really tired. So I'm looking forward to winding down, getting fresh, showering and calling it an early night, and get up early and have a great head start for the day. It's a sea day tomorrow, and we will keep you guys posted. We'll of activities and things that we'll be doing on board the ship, and introduce you to some more of our family and friends, mostly family. In fact, all family, all love. So this is the Family and Friends 2018. We do this every year, Sail-A-Bration. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the morning.